height, weighing 47 kilos. 47 kilos. She lives in San Roque, Antipolo City. She was born on February 16, 1991 in Maybuna, Pasig City. She's single.
Sayang.
Sayang. She likes singing, dancing, and reading. Favorite colors, black and white. Once again, Miss Joanne Bukan.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning po! Okay, may ganun po. I'm Joanne Bukan, representing Antipolo City, and my motto is, I believe that Seragen is here for you and good health in Seragen. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Joanne Bukan. Muli, bigyan po natin ng malaking palakpak si Miss Joanne Bukan. At muli, i-welcome po natin ang susunod po na kandidata, si Miss 5'4" in height, weighing 50 kilos. Parang isang kabang bigas. She was born on October 12, 1984 in Nabuhay, Uson, Masbate. She likes singing and dancing. She likes Filipino foods like tuyo, kaing, sardinas, at pilis. Once again, Miss Lenny Escoto.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Lenny Escoto from St. Arizan. Okay po, at ang aking motto para po sa inyo lahat is the coldest thing in the universe is the human heart. Thank you po. Thank you po Tagalog po.
Ibig sabihin po doon, palapakan niyo po siya. Okay? Aba muli. 5'5" in height, weighing 65 kilos.
Para nakakasip pa.
She lives in Saging Bakla. She lives in 206 para utang mo to ha. 206 Santa Maria Street, Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City. She was born on December 25, 1986. He likes playing basketball and chess. And he likes drinking alcohol. At parang nakainom lahat.
Sir Min, saan niyo ba gusto maglaro ng basketball?
Mahilig ko yan maglaro ng basketball sa malamig, sa aircon. He likes music, but music likes him. Once again, Mr. Tantan of Biasca. Okay. Mr. Christian of Biasca.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Christian of Biasca, representing Quezon City! I'm 23 years old, and I'm saying, balipan din po sa inyong paningin, nakakabuntis din!
Ano yun? Mga Okay po muli, palabakan po natin si Mr. Kristen of Just in short. She's 38 years old, 5 feet in height, weighing 100 kilos. Apat na kapang bigas. She lives in Antipolo City. She's married. Her daughter. Diba? Hindi pala. Correction. Na ano lang. Her daughter is Maria Rica Isabel Villares. Her husband is Misu. She likes reading, watching TV, and listening. So cursi.
Kulang pa. Hindi.
So will you forget? Once again, Miss Col Corazon Villares.
Good morning to everybody. That's the sound of the voice of somebody who just made some concert last night. Okay. Good morning po. Good morning. I'm Corazon Villares, representing the town of Antipolo. Ang motto ko po sa buhay, it's life is too short. So just enjoy, and enjoy. Kumain ka na kumain. Tuyot.
Para mag-enjoy. Okay, once again, Miss Cory Villares. Cory Corazon Villares. Muli, i-welcome po natin ang panglima. She's 24 years old. Correction, 42 years old. 24 is the square root of 42. 5 feet in height, weighing 25 kilos. Isang kapang bigas. She lives in Pasig City. She was born on walang date. Hindi ipinanganak. Galing po sa ilalim ng dagat. She likes dancing. Once again, Miss Maria Isabel Aguilar.
Wala ng boses ah. Good morning po.
Mabel, parang tiwak.
Parang basa.
Parang basa.
Ano na? Hindi.
Dahil sa sobrang kaba.
Napahihi ka ba?
Good morning! Ako po si Maria Isabel Aguilar, Tubong Bicol. Sabi nga po nila, pag Bicol, Dragon. Ay po? At ito po masasabi ko. Sabi nga po nila, pag tumutulong ka daw sa mga tao at pinapasaya mo sila, mas bumabata ka. Thank you.
Thank you very much.